by following the Bachelor in Creative Technologies and AI, you'll become a much wanted specialist in machine learning and AI who can solve a wide variety of real-world AI problems. You will develop computer vision and natural language processing applications, recommendation systems, or even make a robot come alive.
First, I was doing the AI English third semester from September to January, February. And I was supposed to go back to Mexico, but I liked it so much, so I decided to stay for another semester and doing my internship. I liked all of the concepts and all of the practical aspects of it, so it's something that I don't get to see this deeply in my studies back in Mexico, so that's why I decided to stay. My internship is about developing, applying AI and deep learning into a robot, so teaching the robot some neural networks, more practical and applied.
You can also opt to become an AI specialist in healthcare, and you will discover the fascinating world of machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning, and state-of-the-art AI models and frameworks.
Every week you get an assignment and then you do it. I really like that it's so practical and you get to actually apply what you learn in the theoretical lessons.
Unique for this study is that you'll not only learn how to build these technologies, but you'll also learn how to deploy these models so they can be used by end users.
I really like the teachers here. They are so professional, so if you have a question, they guide you through it.
If you are a hands-on person who would really like to build AI solutions, this is the program for you.